Welcome to English Practice Every Day. 5 English advanced level verbs that we will learn today are 1. Adulate, 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 adulate. 2. Alleviate, alleviate. 3. Antiquate, antiquate. 4. Aggravate, aggravate. 5. Ameliorate, ameliorate. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. 1. Adulate, 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 adulate. Adulate means to praise or flatter someone excessively. Adulate means to praise or flatter someone excessively. Lisa adulated her boss in hopes of receiving a promotion. Lisa adulated her boss in hopes of receiving a promotion. The celebrity was adulated by her fans wherever she went. The celebrity was adulated by her fans wherever she went. The teacher warned against adulating one student over others. The teacher warned against adulating one student over others. Sam adulates his favorite author by attending all her book signings. Sam adulates his favorite author by attending all her book signings. 2. Alleviate, alleviate. Alleviate means to make suffering, deficiency, or a problem less severe or more bearable. Alleviate means to make suffering, deficiency, or a problem less severe or more bearable. Drinking warm tea can help alleviate a sore throat. Drinking warm tea can help alleviate a sore throat. A cool breeze helped alleviate the oppressive heat. A cool breeze helped alleviate the oppressive heat. Offering financial help can alleviate poverty in many communities. Offering financial help can alleviate poverty in many communities. A warm bath can alleviate muscle tension after a long day of work. A warm bath can alleviate muscle tension after a long day of work. 3. Antiquate, antiquate. Antiquate means to make something old-fashioned or obsolete. Antiquate means to make something old-fashioned or obsolete. Modern technology has antiquated many manual labor jobs. Modern technology has antiquated many manual labor jobs. The rise of e-books is antiquating the need for physical libraries. The rise of e-books is antiquating the need for physical libraries. Digital cameras antiquated film photography for most consumers. Digital cameras antiquated film photography for most consumers. Advances in medicine could antiquate certain medical procedures. Advances in medicine could antiquate certain medical procedures. 4. Aggravate, aggravate. Aggravate means to make a problem, injury, or offense worse or more serious. Aggravate means to make a problem, injury, or offense worse or more serious. Rubbing the affected area can aggravate the rash. Rubbing the affected area can aggravate the rash. Adding fuel to the fire will only aggravate the conflict. Adding fuel to the fire will only aggravate the conflict. Pollution aggravates respiratory problems for many people. Pollution aggravates respiratory problems for many people. Dad's constant criticism only aggravates the situation at home. Dad's constant criticism only aggravates the situation at home. 5. Ameliorate. Ameliorate. Ameliorate means to make a situation better or more tolerable. Ameliorate means to make a situation better or more tolerable. Offering apologies can ameliorate hurt feelings. Offering apologies can ameliorate hurt feelings. Learning new skills can ameliorate job prospects. Learning new skills can ameliorate job prospects. A warm cup of soup can ameliorate a cold winter day. A warm cup of soup can ameliorate a cold winter day. Planting trees can ameliorate air quality in urban areas. Planting trees can ameliorate air quality in urban areas. That's all for this vocabulary practice session. Please keep practicing these 5 advanced level verbs that we've learned today until the next time when we pick up 5 more words to learn and master. Bye for now.